Welcome to edupediaworld.com. So friends, in today's video we will discuss about disasters. We will talk about various kinds of disaster, the natural disaster, the man-made disaster, and we will see the examples of both the types of disasters. So what is a disaster? A disaster is a hazard that causes a lot of destruction. It causes a lot of changes in the environment. So anything which causes a lot of destruction and change in the environment is called as disaster, right? A disaster is also a serious disruption of the functioning of the community or of the society, involving widespread human, material, economic and environmental losses and impacts. So it involves everything. Now disasters are of two types, the man-made disasters and the natural disasters. So by the name it suggests that natural disaster could be something which is naturally occurring, and humans does not have any control over these kinds of disasters. Whereas man-made disaster could be something which is created by man, which is influenced because of man activity, because of human intervention. So those kinds of disaster are man-made disasters. So you can see the picture below. What do you see here? You see some kind of tornadoes. This cannot be a man-made disaster because humans does not have any control over these kinds of changes which occur over the sea, but these could be just natural disasters, right? And this could be caused because of some environmental changes or change in the wind pattern. So we are going to talk about these two kinds of disasters in our today's session. So now first let's talk about natural disasters. So natural disaster is the effect of a natural hazard, right? It is a major adverse event resulting from any kind of natural processes of the earth. A natural disaster can cause a lot of loss of life, loss of property or property damage, and typically leaves some economic damage in its wake, right? So there may be some kind of damages caused because of nature. Such damage is basically called as the natural disasters, and the examples of natural disasters are like flood. So flood is also naturally occurring, tornadoes, hurricanes, volcanic eruption, earthquake, landslide. All these are natural disasters. We humans do not have any control over these disasters. So we are going to talk about these disasters one by one. But before we move on to discussing various disasters, the list of top 10 natural disaster is, a cyclone, an earthquake, tornado, volcanic eruption, tsunami, floods, wildfire. Wildfire is something which occurs in the jungles, and the trees in the jungles and the forests, they catch fire automatically. Those are called as wildfires. Drought, when we do not have enough rain. Avalanche occurs in the mountains, and landslide. So these are the top 10 major natural disasters. Now let's talk about cyclone first. So what is a cyclone? So in meteorology, a cyclone is an area of closed circular fluid motion, and it has low pressure inside and high pressure outside. And the center of the storm is called the eye, and it has the calmest water and the lowest pressure. So I will explain to you as to what is cyclone. So first we will see the process of formation of cyclone. So let's say we have clouds. So when the clouds get converted into water, what happens is the energy is released. This energy, that is the heat, is released. In this conversion process, that is the conversion from the water vapor into water, some amount of heat is released. When the heat is released, the air will become hot and the air will become lighter. So here the air will become light, and because it is hot now, because the heat is released. So if the air becomes hot and light, the air is going to move up because now it is light. So the surrounding air, in comparison to the air which is hot here, this air which is surrounding the hot air will be cold. comparatively cold. So the cold air will try to just come towards the center where the air is hot and we have the low pressure here. So now the surrounding air, when it comes towards the center, the air will actually form a spiral path like this. And because whatever air is coming inside, this air is also going to become hot and it's going to become light, and that is how it is going to rise up like this in a spiral form. So this actually forms a cyclone. This is how a cyclone is formed, right? Now, what is the structure of cyclone? The cyclone will generally have, that is the center here, as you see here, the center of the cyclone is called the eye. The portion that is next to the eye is called an eye wall, right? So the eye will always be light and it will always have low pressure in the center. But the eye wall that you see here, the eye wall will have the maximum speed. The surrounding air is trying to move towards the eye, move towards the low pressure area, right? And this area is called as rain-free area, and this is a spiral rain band, that is the spiraling winds that rotates counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere, that is anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere, and they rotate clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Thereafter, the water will keep rotating in a spiral form, and that's how they form a cyclone. And all large-scale cyclones are centered on low pressure area only. That is, now what do you see here? They are rotating anti-clockwise, so this must be northern hemisphere. In 1970, Bhola cyclone was a devastating tropical cyclone that struck the East Pakistan. East Pakistan was that time's East Pakistan, which is today it is called the Bangladesh, and India's West Bengal on November 12th, 1970. So Bhola cyclone was the biggest cyclone that affected the coast of Bangladesh. It happened on 12th November 1970. And it remains the deadliest tropical cyclone ever recorded and one of the most deadliest natural disasters in the modern times. And up to 500,000 people lost their life in this cyclone. This cyclone initially was formed over the central Bay of Bengal on 8th of November, and thereafter, it traveled towards the north like this, and it reached its peak with wind speed of 185 kilometers per hour on 11th of November. And this cyclone